Hola amigos and welcome to today's vlog. We're gonna go strawberry picking.
Show my shorts.
And Mama wants to show her biking shorts.
See, it's for men.
Bike ride, it's gonna be almost 2 hours. It says 1 hour and 9 minutes, but it's gonna be 2 hours. It's all the way in DRAGØR, in the same place like last year, but this time we're gonna come on time because
our thumbnail.
Last year we came so late, there was almost no strawberries. So let's go biking. You ready?
Please.
We have muffins. I got the goods. We're gonna put it in our bag. Cooler. We are getting really close. We're only 36 minutes away. Guys, look at that view. We can do this. We can do this. Wow! Guys, did you get that? I don't know if you caught that, guys, but there's a blue, there's a little blue car going. It looked like a racer car. He was laying down. We're going through the forest, guys. It feels so nice to be back in nature because we're in Copenhagen, so it's filled with buildings. Ah! What? So pretty. We're in Kalvebod. Guys, look at all of the cows. And there's the city of Amma. Look at the architecture. Yeah, so according to the expert Mama, the apartment here is around 3 million crowns. At least. Ayo, there's a ship. And then this would be your view. Wow. Yeah, I know. Look guys, we made it to the strawberry field. This time I'm gonna put the... Hi Mama. This time, show it to us. This time I'm gonna put the address right here and in the description box, our website, because last year I forgot.
The guy said to start from that end.
He wants us to start from... Give it to me. He wants us to start from the other end so we can get the small ones too, but we're too eager. We wanna try one now.
Said, you can taste, but no lunch.
Ooh. Mama, it's so much sweeter than... It's so much sweeter than last year. You really should come in the beginning of June. Or in June at least. Last year we came in July. Wow, show it. Put it here. Mama, smile. So fake. Look guys, I've gotten so many. There's so many. Mama, there's a lot this year.
No, it's only because we were late.
Oh, you're taking like 2 and then you're eating 1. Oh, that's yellow. Oh, let's pick one here, guys. This one is looking plump. I know it's yellow. Look, guys, there's a ladybug. She's so pretty. Oh, this is so aesthetic, Mama. With the ladybug. Oh, Mama, could you not? Oh, wait, I need it for a TikTok too. Just continue doing that. Nice. Look at how many Mama has, and then look at how many I have. Wow. Good job. Ow. Mama, don't swear. We are PG-13. Now I'm gonna try one. Wow. That's so sweet. The other people are eating too, Mama. Each time they take one, they eat one. I think they know.
I should say
People like, yeah, breaking the rules. Mama is on her second bucket somehow. I haven't even filled up mine. What's happening? And she's eating. Every time she's picking one, she's eating one. And I've only had 2. Look at these ones, guys. Wait, what's that? Ew, it's an insect. I don't want insect. Oh no, it's yellow. What shall we do if it's yellow? You eat it. Even if that one was yellow, it's sweet. Their strawberries are so good. I want a strawberry farm. Oh, see, there's a plane again. The airport is right over there, guys. A ladybird. Mama, you want? Do you want? No. She has so many, guys. I only have one, not even one. Wow, good job.
I'll fill your second one.
Thank you. See, this is why Mama is a good mom. She doesn't get mad at me. Other moms would say, you're so slow. Meanwhile, she's like, just give me yours. I'll do it. Wow, look at that beauty. Guys, look. We have 3 now. Mama is working on the 4th, and see, she found this giant. Ah, this is why you're good at this, Mama. You like agate hunting. It's like agate hunting. This one is huge. Mama, that's super sweet. Are we done? Good job. Yay, look at all of the strawberries. We're out, we're done. There's the sign. It says open. Now we're gonna go to DRAGØR. We are on our way to the beach, guys. We're looking for a bench. That over there, that's the Öresund bridge going to Sweden. That's the bacon something. And then this is the chicken one. Yummy. Are you tired? It's so hot, guys. I think it's like 20. It says it's 23. I don't believe it's 23. We have ice cream. Hi, Mama. Mama got pistachio.
It's so yummy. Thank you, love.
Thank you. It's from DRAGØR. It's so messy. They have fish and chips.
Just like in
We're by the harbor.
In the States.
Just like in the US. We got home. I showered.
Show my food.
Dinner, Mama's.
Rice and spinach. Show the pizza.
A drink.
Drink.
Okay, so
Where's the dummy?
here we have, this is just frozen pizza, guys. And then spinach. It's, I don't know what flavor that is.
Adobo.
Mama, the pizza.
Oh,
Adobo.
normal balloon.
Yeah, whatever. Then we have the strawberry. It's washed now, so it's yummy and clean.
Why do we suddenly need to wash it? We didn't wash it before.
Yeah, that's just the rule. You wash it when you get home. It was filled with soil, guys. So that's why people were coughing so much earlier. Because
we were coughing because we were eating too much. Like,
yeah, and it was, well, I only had like maybe 10
I
months.
had at least 30.
Yeah.
No, I'm not sure.
Well, anyways, we're gonna go and watch Fubar on Netflix. And then
my pee was orange, even though we were drinking so much.
Nice information. So we're gonna go now, guys. And guys, you're gonna be excited. Well, hopefully, I'm crossing my fingers. Maybe the next vlog will be about a special furry someone.
Very friendly.
We will tell more in the next one because it should be more, you know, exciting. So I'm gonna make you guys wait. Look, guys.
He's Greek. Or is she?
Mama, I just said I'm gonna make them wait. Look, guys.
You already said furry.
See, I have a tan line. Anyways,
Show me. Show me.
thanks
Show
for
me.
watching.
Show me.
Please go
Show
down
me.
below.
See?
Please go down below and subscribe to this channel if you want, and like if you want, and go to the social medias down below and follow and all of that. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. Gracias por ver. Hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure to go to the strawberry farm if you're here in Denmark. They're great, especially now in June. It's so fresh.
July.
Yeah, and lots of food in DRAGØR. And also, it started raining on our way home. It's raining and it started, there's thunder and everything. Anywho, thanks for watching. Gracias por ver. And we will see you in the next one. Adios, amigos.
Adios.